Hello learners, this is Habiba with Excel with me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is research in education, with the subtopic types of research. Under that, fundamental, applied and action research. Already we have covered in the previous class basic or fundamental research and action research. Now we are going to touch with the applied research in this class. Basic research, that is to develop the theory, and then action research, immediate solution to the problem teachers take. It's a cyclic process. Basic one is the theoretical, the knowledge specific, and the action research is the cyclical process here. Now applied research, let's understand in detail about this. Applied research is focused on answering real-world practical questions in order to provide relatively immediate solutions. In basic research, only a theory is formed here. What are the cause and effects they will see here. In applied research, they will focus on answering the real-world or practical questions to provide immediate solution to them. It is performed in relation to actual problems and under the conditions in which they are found in practice. Topics for applied research are often driven by current problems in education and by policy makers' concerns also. If we talk about education, the policy makers, whatever they are making the policies, they can have the past findings and then they move forward for the search of new solutions for any problem. Then applied research is often conducted in more natural settings, that is more realistic or real world settings than basic research. Basic research, they do the experiments. Here they do the real setting. In the real settings they do the applied research. Most of the educational researches are applied researches whose objectives are to develop generalizations about teaching, learning processes, instructional materials, the behavior of children, ways to modify it, and so on. These are all the kind of applied research basically we do in our educational institutions. Now let's see the examples of applied research here. Applied research topics can cover a wide variety of subjects, all addressing practical problems rather than theoretical issues. There in basic research we understood they create the theories there, theory specific, theoretical, pure, fundamental, basic researches. Here applied researchers, what they will cover, the wide variety of subjects here they will cover, addressing their practical problems rather than writing the theories. What effect does fast food have on overall health? This could be a applied research problem or question. Then how can the achievement gap of students from different socio-economic backgrounds be bridged in education? So how can the achievement gap of students from different socio-economic, poor, rich, middle class, all the background is, they can bridge in education. This can be studied under applied research. Then how does social media change individuals' perception of society and themselves? So practical problem this is. To find out the solution, they do the applied research. So let's conclude this topic by recapitulating. The aim of research is to discover or create new knowledge, or to correct the existing facts or theories, or to generate a theory of cause-effect relationship between two variables. Then research may also be undertaken to generate information for decision making or solving a local problem. Then it may be warned that on the surface research, which seems a mechanical and straight process, in reality it is complex, complicated and confusing, requiring lot of hard work and ingenuity. So what happens? People think that research is very easy, but it is not easy. It needs lots of groundwork, hard work, sincerity, ethics, morals are very important here to do these research work, which it can be with any kind of research. So let's quickly have a look. The three types we have learned, that is fundamental research, may be called as applied, theoretical, pure, not applied, basic, pure, theoretical. That is fundamental research, that is knowledge specific. Then applied research, solution driven. Solution could be for the practical problems. Then action research, it's a cyclical. In general, teachers do this kind of researches. They will plan, they will observe, they act, they observe, and then they take the feedback. If it is not solved, again they will start once again with the planning. So under the big dynamic area research, three types are there, that is fundamental or basic research, and then applied research. Under applied research, a small part is the action research. So we come to the end of this session. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.